Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about how to insert detail in MySQL. Okay, so here if I want to insert few details inside the table, what I will do, I have to write this format. Okay, so inside that I will create some changes. Let me just write here. First, let me run this. So if I want to add the customer, okay. So in that case, to fill the table in MySQL, use the insert into statement. Okay, insert into statement will help us to insert the details, what all details are required. Okay, so it will help you to insert the table. How you can do that? So on screen you can see I have mentioned SQL equal to insert into customers name, address, and the value that and the percentage s and the percentage. So what is the value that is given here? That is the John and the highway 21. So these are the details that is mentioned. After that, my cursor dot execute SQL and the value. These are the few kinds of things that I want to insert it. So after that, I will mention all the details here, and these are the things that I need to mention. After that, my db.commit. It will help you to make some changes. It required to make some changes, otherwise no changes are made to the table. So it will create some changes over there, because if you are updating something, obviously it is going to make some changes inside the table. That is how you are going to work in. So let me just write all the code here and then I will run the code. Okay, so on screen you can see that these are the codes are connected, and that is how you are going to run the codes. Okay, let me just make some change. Again I will run the code, and then yeah, one record inserted. So on screen you can see that one record is inserted. That is how you are going to work on it. That's all for today's class. Thank you so much.